As I look back over this past year, we at Covenant marvel at the Lord's kindness to the PCA's college in this season. We are preparing to welcome in August the largest freshman class in the history of Covenant College. Covenant College is a sending agency of the church for the church. That is my vision for the college. It's why we exist, to send out builders to serve the church and the world. As we continue the work that you've started, we strive to be a college you can feel confident in, to know that we're not tearing down, but building on the foundation you laid. So thank you. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for telling others about us. And most importantly, thank you for entrusting your children to us for this significant season in their life.